Right. I would appreciate it if you guys could go to my YouTube channel. Let me know you guys can hear me. Do I be saving my lives? Right. No, I don't save my live on YouTube. I mean Instagram, but I'm live on my YouTube channel right now, brother.
Right. I would
Okay,
appreciate it
cool.
if
All
you.
right. All right. I guess I can hear myself. I'm live on YouTube right now. Hey guys, I do save my lives on my YouTube channel for the people that's watching me on Instagram, but I'm live on my YouTube. I'm doing a screen share, so I appreciate everybody that's tuned in right now. You know, this is the Black Knowledge YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, I dropped the spoken word poetry survival mode 3 weeks ago. I just want to pull up this video just to show you guys something. I dropped this, as you guys can see, I'm a music channel. I'm an official artist. So you can follow me on Spotify, Apple Music, Facebook, Instagram. Just Google Chef Boy JB. I pop up. But I want to show you guys just something. My music is licensed to YouTube on behalf of Black Knowledge Records. I built my own record label and I signed myself to myself. And my music is licensed to YouTube. Therefore, YouTube has to pay the licensee, aka Black Knowledge Records, the money that I make and generate from my poetry. So I'll be breaking that down later on my YouTube channel, but I want to show you guys, I interview people. I do spoken word poetry. I do a whole bunch of different stuff. I'm getting into the shorts, as you guys can see. Just got back San Andreas Island. I went out there with my girl in Colombia. So I got a lot of different content on here. I interview brothers, sisters, all over the world as well. So check out my YouTube channel, check out my music, and I appreciate everybody tuned in. But without further ado, I appreciate the people that's liking and supporting me. Let's get right into it and let's start, let's go ahead and pull up this public portfolio because that's what you guys are here for. All right, let's go down, let's go down this limit, guys. Let me know if you guys can hear me. For the people that's watching me on YouTube, give me a comment. For my people that's on Instagram, if you click the link in my bio section, you'll have access to my YouTube channel. Because I'll be going back and forth trying to make sure I'm good. So I appreciate if you tell me the sound is okay. We're gonna be talking about a whole bunch of different stuff. I got Coin Market Cap right here, guys. I'll be answering questions, looking at my Instagram. Somebody had asked me on Instagram, what are my top 5 cryptocurrencies? So I'll be breaking that down, later on. So appreciate the like button, hit that like button, share, subscribe, notifications to stay up to date on my portfolio. Notice, guys, I'm down 33%, $311. But everybody's down. I saw portfolios on Instagram down $1 million, down $75,000. Shout out to my boy Jan's World. He said he lost $100,000 in Bitcoin. So my little $300 compared to other people, a lot of people have lost money in the stock market and the crypto market as of right now because of the Russia, everything. I just want to say this before we get started. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you guys the moves that I'm making in the stock market and the crypto world. So I'm going to recommend that you speak to your financial advisor and your financial team to get the most accurate information on the stock market and crypto market. I am not a financial advisor. These are things that we have to say on YouTube to make sure we don't get in trouble. But I'm just sharing the moves that I do when it comes to crypto. Well, let's see. You see, I'm down $311, guys. Let's see, all time, loot rent. Everything is in the red, as you guys can see in my portfolio. Everything is red. Look at this, red, red, red. This is daily changes, but that doesn't matter. I'm down 60% all the way to 1%. I'm up on some ETFs, which we'll get into later. But my crypto wallet or my crypto investments are down. This is where most of this comes from. This 33%, mostly crypto. Crypto is very volatile right now, and the crypto market follows heavily the stock market. Guys, this is Coin Market Cap. This is where I get my most updated and accurate information on my cryptocurrency markets. Coin Market Cap. It's the best website. But if you notice, you see a lot of red even on here. Everything is red, down 4%. I mean, you got, Monero went up 20% apparently, but other than that, most of this is red, as you can see. The stock market the crypto market correlates the stock market. If you guys have not realized that, basically it doesn't really matter if Bitcoin drops. If stocks drop, everything else drop. So that's what we need to realize and understand. But look at this, big gainers. Some gain, Neko coin, 16,000%. I don't even know what that is. Let's click it. Look at this, like Neko coin. I don't know where you can buy Neko coin. I always try to tell people stay away from shit like this. I'm gonna just be real. Excuse my language, but this is like pump and dump shit, in my opinion. Neko coin. Okay. I can't buy the Neko coin on Coinbase, I don't believe. It went up 2,000%. You feel me? Like this is crazy. These are the coins that people are flipping to try to make money off of. And yeah, somebody probably became a millionaire today off of this. Who knows? You feel me? It went from here, it went up crazy. Somebody probably put $1 million or $10,000. You see Neko scam, like, yeah. But can you sell the thing? Like, I don't know how they buy this or where they get this coin from. I don't really know what it does. See right here. You got it down, like, you can do this at Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is a little weird. The gas fees are high, guys. Let me see here, read some comments. Give me some comments on Instagram. Let me know that you're there. I appreciate everybody tuned in. I'm live on my YouTube channel, sharing my screen, going over cryptocurrency and my stock market, everything. Like, I'm just breaking down, like, I think Neko coin is a bullshit coin. That's what I'm just saying. And they're trying to get you to go to Pancake Swap to buy it. And it's like, no, most people can buy Coinbase on their webs, on they download Coinbase and buy cryptocurrency from there. And if this isn't on Coinbase, I don't trust this coin, because I'm not going to go to Pancake Swap and swap Ethereum for Neko coin and then pay $300 in gas fees, because that gas fee shit is stupid. I have no idea why people keep buying these random cryptocurrencies, because I feel a little bitter because I listened to a YouTuber, unfortunately, and I bought a little bit of Clifford, but I end up losing $80 of Ethereum to gas fees. And then they try to say, oh, you got to wait, until the end of the day to buy it, or you got to wait until then. I'm not going to do any of that. If I can't buy it off of my coin market cap or public, if I can't buy it from here, I'm not going to do it. But anyways, I want to answer, the homie's questions, fully. That was, I know that he's probably still, let me see, make sure he's still here. You're still waiting on that answer. But my top 5, cryptocurrencies, I'm highly invested into Shiba coin, talk about my top 5. A lot of you guys have been asking that. So let's look. Shiba Inu coin. I'm team Shiba. I love the mission. I love what they're doing. You feel me? The website is dope. I'll break down Shiba coin in another video. I'll probably do a screen share. And talk about it live on another day. Who knows? I might do it later tonight. It doesn't matter. But Shiba coin, I'm highly invested in it. I have, 14 million coins. I'm down 50%. So I lost $150, but I still got 174 invested. So I'm kind of chilling on this, but I did buy some at this price. I think I bought another 150 on my Robinhood account just to let it sit. But, I'm heavily invested. I think my biggest cryptocurrency that I own right now the most, definitely Shiba Inu coin. I'll be writing an article about Shiba, breaking it down, even on my YouTube channel at a later date, talking about what this coin is and why I got it. Speaking of that, I want to buy some coins right now. I'm gonna buy $5 worth of Shiba coin, like I always do. I like to deposit and do Shiba coin live with you guys. I'm gonna buy $5 worth of it and show you how many coins I got. You feel me? All right, I deposited. Look at this. $5. I bought 426,000 coins. Look, it's ridiculous right now. I tell people it's cotton candy season. Look, order place, $5 at marketplace. I got, you feel me? I got 15 million, over 15 million Shiba coin now. I want 100 million in this account. That's why I bought some live, so you guys can see that I purchase, cryptocurrency consistently every day, damn near. My second one, I have Ethereum Classic. I really like Ethereum Classic. It kind of correlates Ether right here. As you guys can see, I have that. I don't think, Ether or Ether Classic is going anywhere. Like I was telling my people on YouTube, my people on Instagram, Ethereum is the highway and all these other coins are like cars on the highway. So they put themselves in a position where they're able to advance. But I'm not really a big fan of Bitcoin. I'm telling people that I got $30 into it, lost $8. Of course, I put some money in Bitcoin like everybody else. But I always try to tell people, if you notice, I do have ETFs to go down. 33% of my ETFs or my stock portfolio is ETFs, and 67 is cryptocurrency. That is going to change, because I always try to tell my people, please still invest your money into stock market. It's a great time to get into some stuff. Like, for example, the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Market ETF. The VWO tracks a market cap weighing index of emerging market stocks, excluding South Korea. Let's look that up because I want to look these up and show you guys what a couple of these ETFs that I got, extended traded funds, and break down why did I buy this fund? Why did I buy? I have half a share of it. Obviously, I'm gonna have more shares of it. I want to show you guys that you can buy half a share. I only have, notice it says total holdings right here. I only have $25 of it, but it costs $42. I want to show you guys that fractional sharing is important, meaning, like, let's say, for example, I do fractional shares sometimes to remind myself that I want to buy a stock in the future too. So I'll be like, let me put $25 on the emerging markets because I want to invest. I want to, invest into companies that are growing, that are about to grow, or making money. I want to be a part of the businesses that are going to blow up in the future. And that's what this Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF does. But I also have a Roth IRA account on E-Trade. I tell people, do not park your money on on one app. Please put your money in different applications. For my people that's watching me on Instagram or YouTube, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can click the link in my bio section. I'm screen sharing my portfolio. So let's look up. I want to look up. Let's go back out of here. I want to go back to CoinMarketCap on that. Let's go to this ticker symbol VWO. Let's look that up and see what's actually in this portfolio. VWO. I'm pulling it up because you got to do research, guys, when it comes to investing or putting money into the stock market. You have to. Okay, let's scroll down. Diversified emerging markets is the strategy. It says this investment seeks to track the performance of the measuring investments and return stock issued by companies located in emerging market countries. Okay, let's see what's in it. The top 10 holdings. I got them in Taiwan. You feel me? You got Alibaba Group. You feel me? You got China. You got everything, as in, diversifying the portfolio. Keep in mind, right here, this is a quarterly dividend. So for each one of these stocks I own, every single quarter, they'll pay me 13 cents. So for my people that's into, dividend investing or anything of that nature, you will be making money from VWO Vanguard emerging markets for each stock that you have. Each share that you have, guys, you would get 13 cents every quarter for owning this. And this gives you exposure to, let's pull up the portfolio. This gives you exposure to so many different markets and stuff of that nature. And I want to break this down. They're in different sectors. You feel me? They break down what sectors they in, company names, the top 10 holders, the sectors. You feel me? Consumer, finance, real estate, zero. Real estate, 3% or whatever, 1%. See, they got healthcare, utilities. So this is a great, for emerging markets, businesses that are starting to begin. So I think this is really critical to have in the portfolio. That's why I bought this one. You feel me? But, I have other ones as well, other ETFs. You see, I got bonds as well, Vanguard Total World Bond ETFs, because I wanted to have some bonds to do a buffer system in the portfolio. I'm only down 1 penny on that one. Bonds usually stay the same price. They don't really, drop down. For my people that's watching me, I'm live on my YouTube channel sharing my portfolio. So you can click the link in my bio section to get access to my YouTube channel and watch me on that. I appreciate the love and support. But I think it's critical that you add ETFs and bonds to your portfolio to balance it out, especially for my people that's doing crypto. Don't worry, my bad, guys. I always talk about this. Invite friends to earn a free stock. I'll have this link in my bio section, the caption, once this video is done. So basically, you click the link in the caption section. You download this app. You put $5 on it. You can do your debit card, normal, whatever. It's easy. Buy whatever, and we both win. I get some stock, and you get a free stock too. So I appreciate that. I'll have this link in my bio section. But back to my portfolio. I like SPHD because it follows the S&P 500, and this is a monthly paying dividend. I want to pull that up real quick. SPHD, you know what I'm saying? SPHD. And I want to show you guys this portfolio consists of a whole bunch of different stuff. I'm gonna own Kinder Morgan. I own some Kinder Morgan in my Robinhood, I think. See, that's why I tell people I like ETFs, and I like to put ETFs because it invests you guys in all these different companies and you don't have to worry about, Chevron or the Kraft Heinz company, but you're a part of their earnings. You're a part of it because you own this ETF. If you decide to put SPHD, into your portfolio. Let me go back to the snapshot because I want to show you guys something real quick. Right here, it says a monthly dividend. I get 14 cents a month for each share I own. So if you own half a share, because I tell people you can do fractional sharing when investing money. I'm live on my YouTube channel, guys. For my people that's watching me on Instagram, click the link in my bio section. I'm screen sharing. But SPHD, you get paid 14 cents a month for owning this stock. And I want to break this down. With Public App as well as Robinhood, you can do what they call fractional sharing. So if you tell me right now, hey, bro, I ain't got $46. I ain't got $46 to buy this stock. I say, well, you got $23? Yeah, I got 23. Well, guess what? I'd rather you own half a share than no shares at all. I'm live on my YouTube, Instagram. Click the link in my bio. And because look, if you get 14 cents for owning a full share every month, because it says a monthly dividend, you're going to get paid 7 cents if you own $23 of this. So I'd rather you have $23 than have no dollars. That's the point I'm trying to make, guys. I appreciate the like. I appreciate the love. I appreciate everybody tuned in. So if you want to get into dividend investing, SPHD is a good one to own. Just buy 100 shares of this, 10 shares of this at a time, 5 shares, 1 share, whatever you can do. Because when it comes to investing, guys, I think you guys need to understand you put what you can. But before you start really investing into crypto and into stocks, my credit cards is paid down, fam. I don't got no damn student loans. I don't got crazy ass shit on my credit that I got to pay back. You got to get your credit right. You got to get these credit cards less than 30% spending. Pay these people this money, get your credit right. You got to get your debt right before you start investing, because all that investment money that you're putting up need to go towards fixing your credit so you cannot owe people money too. You want to lower your debt and raise your net value is what they call that. You don't want to have a net value of, $100,000, but then your debt ratio is 400,000. You're losing. You're not winning. I appreciate y'all tuned in. Click the link in my bio. I'm screen sharing my portfolio right now. I appreciate the like. I appreciate the support. But let's go back to it. I'm in different, I have different crypto. Like I told you guys, I have Bitcoin. I've lost $8, but I got $27. I do have Bitcoin, but I don't have a lot of it because I don't know what the hell they're going to use Bitcoin for. They say Bitcoin is a new electronic payment system. It's too damn high. It's too expensive. I can't afford a Bitcoin, and your average African-American can't afford a Bitcoin. So I don't understand what they're going to do with it. I haven't done a lot of research on it. I just kind of ignore it because they have 55 billion in market cap, but I really see no purpose of Bitcoin. I don't know what Bitcoin is going to be doing. People can't just buy Bitcoin and sell it and use it. I don't know. But Ether, I can afford Ether. That's $2,000. Remember, I showed you guys Amazon. This is the same price of Amazon stock. Amazon is 2,000. Ether is 1,000. Notice I did lose $20. I tell people I'm not really tripping. I'm in the market for the long run when it comes to my crypto investments. So I'm not tripping. I don't care. It dropped 20%. Hell, drop 50%. I'll still buy more. You feel me? But I have $42 in it. I bought some the other day. I actually think I bought $25 worth of Ether. I want to see if it drops more down. If it drops $200 more, I'll buy some more. But I don't really care about price right now when it comes to crypto because I know everybody is down. Like, look, for the month, everybody's down. Look, they're down 36%. It lost $1,000. So this $42, if it goes up $1,000, my $42 is going to double. If I'm going to get 30, you know what I'm saying? I'm down 32%. So everything is down. Every crypto, as you can see, everything is down. But, I even got this one. I put $25 into, the intermediate corporate bonds. I'm not one of those investors that don't invest in bonds. I'm not one of those young investors that don't have bonds. A lot of my young investors, they get so focused on stocks that they forget that you can make money. You can make slow money from bonds. You guys, let me show you guys. We're going to pull this one up real quick. VCIT. For my people that's watching me, if you got stock advice or anything of that nature, feel free to chime in on the YouTube chat. Feel free to, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, I'm looking at comments and everything, so you guys can hit me up. You know, we'll talk about it. VCIT. Let's look that one up real quick. VCIT. Again, SPHD is a monthly dividend paying stock. You know, it gives you a great diversity around so many different companies. It has, you know, the top 10 holdings. You know, you got Williams Companies, Kinder and Morgan. You got Chevron. You feel me? They got the Crafts Company, Phillips and Morris, the IBM International, ABBV. You know, they got them. They got a lot of the major hit points that you want to get into when it comes to diversifying your portfolio. But let's pull up the bond VCIT. I'm a big Vanguard fan. I mean, it's funny. I want to open up a Vanguard account one day and actually buy Vanguard stuff on Vanguard. One day I might open up another Roth IRA or an investment account on there one of these days and put a couple $1,000s in it. I'm a fan of Vanguard. Okay. This one here, guys, is corporate bonds. You know, corporate bonds is basically debt. You know what I'm saying? So I'm buying into corporate debt, you know, T-Mobile debt, Bank of Columbia debt, ABBV debt, Verizon debt. You feel me? And it's following it. Again, guys, let me show you monthly dividend. For each share of this I own, I get paid 18 cents. When it comes to bonds, guys, the prices don't fluctuate too much. But everybody, look, if you look in the market, everybody dropped though. Everybody in the market dropped because of Russia, Ukraine, all that shit that's going on, guys. So it's a lot going on in the market when it comes to investing in the crypto market or the stock market. So with that being said, you know, keep it moving. Also, again, you guys see this again, bonds. I got bonds again, total world bonds, because I want more exposure. I got VCIT. You guys see this. Look, VCIT is a term corporate bonds. Let's look at the portfolio real quick. I'm just doing a little brief rundown on my portfolio. It has over 2,000 bonds. You feel me? Let's see what my exposure is. I'm in T-Mobile, Verizon, the Boeing Company. You feel me? It's a lot of different debt that they have. You know, all of it is corporate debt, as you can see. Court debt, government, everything of that nature, bank loans, all of that. And it pays me 18 cents a month. So investing in this debt gives you money. But I tell people again, bonds are buffer systems to stocks. As in, if you put all your money in crypto and stocks, it can fall down. But bonds don't really fall down like that. So I always tell people you need to add bonds into your portfolio. Do one or two. I added this for you guys so you guys can see. It says a dividend rate of $2.02, meaning if I have one share, which I have 0.3, again, fractional share investing, I did this for you guys to show you guys you could put $25 into this and still get money. You feel me? Even though I don't have $80, I still got $25. So with that being said, they're still going to give me some of this dividend, like to pull this back up to show you guys, because I like to break this stuff down for my people that might not understand. Monthly dividend, 18 cents. I'm not going to get 18 cents. I don't have a full share. I have a fractional share of it, $25. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to split this in half real quick. $80. I'm going to round it down. $80 divided by 2 is $40. Okay. 18 divided by 2 is 9 cents. Okay, that's 40. I'm going to divide 40 because that's what I got, around $20, $25. You feel me? So divide that again. 9, okay, 9 cents. Okay, I probably get 4 or 5 cents for having $25 worth of this bond every month. You feel me? Whenever I get my first dividend, I'll show you guys my dividend income that I'm making on, you know, this portfolio. But I definitely recommend, you see I have 2 bonds right here. 2 bonds, just 2, because I'm young and I still believe in, you know, emerging markets. You know, I'm heavily invested in crypto. As you guys can see, I have $400 worth of crypto compared to my $200 in stocks, and I'm down $314, which is mostly crypto. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep it moving. I appreciate everybody tuned in. If you guys got any questions, Instagram, I'm live screen sharing on YouTube, so you guys can hit me up. You know, I'm big into the metaverse. So I believe that the metaverse is the way of the world. I'm one of those guys. I'm not gonna be on the metaverse myself, but I'll be that. Hold on a minute, guys. What? Okay, I'm live on YouTube too. So I'll be investing into, you know, the metaverse. I like Decentraland. I want to pull this up since we're talking about stock and crypto update on this. So I want to give both you know, this balance, you know, of, you know, knowledge to show people. Let's pull up Decentraland on Coin Market Cap. This is where I get all my information. Decentraland. Let me see Mana. I don't know Mana. Let me see Mana. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's $1.07. I think I want to buy some Mana while I'm live with y'all. Let me see here. Look, check it out, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna buy $10 more worth while I'm live with y'all. Fuck it, why not? All right, I bought it when it was $2.18. I have 20 Mana. I'm about to buy it at $1.05. We're gonna put $10 in there. I'm gonna buy $10 worth because I like to buy crypto and stock while I'm live with you guys to show you that it's so simple to invest. $10. Boom. I got $10 of Decentraland. I believe in this project. I like that it's, you know, they're doing virtual reality. Let me see how about 10 more. Boom. 9. Let me see here. All right, let me refresh the page. I appreciate everybody tuned in. Appreciate y'all showing the love. See, now I pay an average of $1.83. It's not $2 now. And this is what you call cost price averaging right now. Whenever the stock market drops, like what I can do, which I need to do, is I need to put $10 in every one of my stocks and my cryptocurrencies that I purchased. Because look, let me show you guys why. Why would you do that? Why would you put more money in this dropping? Well, that's the point. That's cross. Like I'm down 60% on this one. I'm down 60%. So you mean to tell me when you're down, like I don't need to sell right now. I need to buy. I need to get a better price like I just did. You feel me? It's down 42%, but y'all just saw me buy $10 worth of this coin. You know what I'm saying? But let's go to the chart. I want to pull it up. I also read charts. I like TraderView because I read candlesticks. So I'm just doing like an overall basis. Everybody down. So it don't even matter. As you look at this chart, guys, this is a day chart. Everybody down. You can see everybody, my bad, everybody dropping. For my people that's watching me, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can click the link in my bio section. I'm screen sharing. But you know, I mean, I don't know when. Let's scroll. Let's go out. Like, look out. Like, it hasn't been down this for a long time. This price, you feel me? It bounced off of this, still low. But I believe that, you know, what goes down can go back up. So if it did this, it can do it again. You feel me? You can buy now and it boom go up. Make it sell. Get out of it if you want to. Whatever, however you feel. But I believe in this project. I believe that, you know, the cryptocurrency, the ETF world, the metaverse is not going anywhere. And people are still going to be investing in the metaverse, which I am. Because check this out, guys. I got a round hill ball metaverse ETF. It says right here, the round ball metaverse ETF is an exchange traded fund, ETFs. I will be writing an article on blackknowledge.com to break that down for you guys. You feel me? And what it does is comprise of leading companies across major categories of the metaverse. Metaverse is a concept, next generation, you know, synchronized and open to everyone with its own fully functional economy, both virtual and real world experience. The metaverse isn't going anywhere, guys. I don't know. Let's pull that one up, the MTV. Let me see, MTEV. Let's pull up and see what the metaverse. I think that metaverse do not pay me dividends right now. Yeah. It hasn't been, you know, they don't own, you know, the metaverse is brand new, guys. So let's pull up more information. Again, guys, if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to ask. I'm live on my YouTube channel. I'm scrolling, looking at comments. I appreciate everybody tuned in. But let's look up, you know, let's look at this one. What I invest in. Again, guys, look, I have one share. I only bought one share to show you guys. See, I'm down 25% on this one. Again, the stock market is down. It's not just me, oh, I made a bad investment. No, everything is down because of Russia, because of the Ukraine. We're in a recession. Babies ain't got food to eat. Y'all feel me? People are going hungry in America. They can't pay their bills. Inflation is at an all-time high. They're doing a whole bunch of White House stuff. You know, a lot of rules and regulations are being changed. A lot of laws and you know, interest rates are being created. It's a lot going on right now. And we're in a recession. We're in a bearish market right now. Bullish, whatever. Don't matter. Down market. We're in a down market. This is the time to buy. this is the time to buy. And we're going to keep going down. I don't think this is it. I think that this is like the beginning of the down drop, but still buy. On the way down, keep buying. And then on the way up, keep buying. So you win it. You feel me? And then figure out your exit strategy plan. Let's pull up again. I want to show you guys this. We pulled up the Metaverse MTV. This is the ticker symbol MTV, METV, MET for Round Hill Ball Metaverse ETF. And this fund is invested into Metaverse companies. I'm like lazy. So I tell people I don't have time to do research. Guess what? I do have Microsoft though. I have Microsoft on my Robinhood portfolio. I have Apple. So I always tell people it's okay to have ETFs, but there's nothing wrong with having individual stocks if you want to own that, whatever you want to own. I'm doing ETFs for my people on YouTube, and this portfolio is for you guys because I want to break this down, showing that the everyday average Black person can invest. You investing in many different sectors. You know, they got different percentages they break down when it comes to it. These are the top 10 companies that are investing into the metaverse space. Until, you know, when it comes to this ETF, it has 43 stocks. So I tell people, if you want to get into the metaverse world and invest into the metaverse, you can buy, you know, this ETF. There's other ETFs, I think they got similars. They got MT, I think they got Metaverse, Meta. Let me see here. MTA. I don't got Meta. Let me see here. I think, is it? No, is it? No. No, that ain't. Yeah, that's the only one that I know of. That's the one I got. But yeah, let me see here and look. I'm trying to look to see if people asking these questions. Okay, cool. Keep it moving. But I think ETFs is very important. I'm big on dividends, so I have the SDIV. This one's kind of risky. You feel me? It pays $1.17. It tracks the equal weighing index of global securities with high yields. Let's pull that one up. And I always tell people I like to mix up my, this one here, X Dividend X. I'm gonna just pull that one up right here. I think that this fund is not available for purchase through E-Trade Securities. Yeah. They didn't pull that one up, but SDIV I do got. It's a monthly dividend of 10 cents. It pays me every month, but this one's kind of risky, for my people that really, it has stocks. It followed the top paying companies that got dividend. And I'm big on dividend income and I like to diversify my portfolio. So, and I want to make money, obviously. So what I do is I purchase dividend income driven stocks or ETFs, things that pay me money. Again, I told you guys I have individual stocks that don't pay me. Microsoft, Apple, they pay, their own dividend. Coca-Cola, these are things that I have. Coca-Cola is doing amazing in Mexico. A lot of people don't look at the money that these big companies, like if you can get past this I'm woke Illuminati stuff and actually start, reading into these companies, you will learn that Coca-Cola is really, they make most of their money from Mexico. And not just Coca-Cola, they just do Coca-Cola. I'm not saying they sell Coca-Cola in Mexico and make millions of dollars from that. Coca-Cola's in the music industry, the advertising industry, the real estate. They have other products that they've created under the Coca-Cola brand, you feel me? And sell it, medical stuff, everything of that nature. Somebody said, how long have you been in the stocks? I've been in the stocks in a few years. I'm late in the game, as I call it. I've been investing since I was 28, 29. But I'm late in the game. Again, I have another one, KBD, high dividend yield financial ETF. Let's pull that one up. What is KBWD? I'm just breaking down my portfolio for you guys. KBWD, I think. Yep. Because a lot of you guys, I just want to show you guys what I'm making and what's in these portfolios. I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can click the link in my bio section to, shoot me a like, support, watch me. I appreciate that. They pay me a dividend rate of $1.56. Meaning, what does that mean? That means for every share that I own every year, I'm going to make $1.15 from this. I own one share, as you guys can see. I own one share of this. I'm down 57 cents, but let's pull it up. What is this one? This tracks the financial sector, right? it invests at least 90% of its total assets in securities and financial and services product. This is a finance ETF. You feel me? It's a REIT. They got REITs. They got different companies, real estate companies, and everything of that nature. I think I have AGNC Investment Corp in my Robinhood portfolio. So I own an individual stock. Again, they pay me 13 cents a month for owning this. So I make 13 cents for owning this one right here without having to do the research, like to pull up the portfolio. I don't have to do research on all these financial companies. I just invest into this ETF and they split it to Armor, 1%. Let me see here. They got the percentages and everything. Dividend yield 16%. Like 4% of my money goes to Armor REITs, real estate. Like all of these companies I'm already invested in when I invest into this one ETF. I'm answering questions, guys. I'm live on my YouTube channel, screen sharing. If you want to watch me there, I appreciate it. Breaking down my public portfolio for you guys. So, I think that this is going to be, great investment in the future. I think I might even put this in my Roth IRA, so I can just buy it every month and don't have to worry about it. It's tax free. And when I turn 59 and a half, I'm going to have money. So let's go down a little bit more. I'm investing into Polygon, Stellar. I bought some more Stellar yesterday, I think. So, I'm even like, I want to show you guys this JETS, the global ETF JETS, JETS. You know what they do? They follow all the airlines. I know that COVID is going to eventually, calm the fuck down, as I call it. And people are going to be traveling. Hell, I'm traveling. I just got back off a vacation with my girl. So, with that being said, people will be traveling. People will go back on carnivals, parties, and everything of that nature. I think Jets pay a dividend. I just don't know what it is. I think it's very small though. But they invest into airlines, the different airlines around the world. You feel me? And I'm gonna pull up the portfolio to show you what this is. So for my people that's trying to get into the airline game, you don't want to research Delta, United Way, Spirit Airline. You don't know what you want to do. You just want to get into I want to invest into airlines, Jets, ETFs. You feel me? And you go have 50 stocks. And out of the 50 stocks, you see 82%, you feel me, of your exposure be North America. You get 2% in Latin America. And let's show you what all they got. You feel me? The top 10, United, American, Delta, Southwest, Alaska, Southwest, Air Canada. They got these different ones. You're investing into all these different airline companies when you buy Jets. Again, I have 0.3. I did this just to show you guys, what I'm saying? Look, I have $6 worth of this. I don't have the full $19, but I'm still, you see, it says a 14-cent dividend. I'm still going to get some of it. I'm going to get the amount, I'm not going to get the full amount. Half will be 7. I don't got half, what I mean? Got a little bit under half. So I wouldn't get 7 cents. I'll get like 4 or 5 cents from this dividend. I'm big into fractional share dividend investing. Don't worry. I will be writing an article on blackknowledge.com of what fractional dividend is. I'm tired of my people telling me that they don't understand what a jet is or what this is. Follow my damn YouTube channel. Show me some love. I'm breaking this shit down to the average African-American, the average Black person. I'm from the hood too, Section 8, tap water, all that. By educating myself, and that's why we built Black Knowledge. There's the place where we educate people. VIG, that's a very great, dividend appreciation ETF. You feel me? For my people that's trying to get, it said they increase their annual dividends for 10 or more consecutive years for each share. Again, I don't have a lot of money into this. Look, fractional share, I have $6 in here. I know that I'm going to buy more in the future. I'm 33, I'm young. I want dividend. I want money. That's the point of investing. I'm trying to make money, right? So let's pull this up. This one here is ticker symbol VIG. I'm on E-Trade as well. I have my my Robinhood portfolio. My Roth IRA with them. Let me show you guys. VIG, we pulling that up. What's in VIG? Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Home Depot. I told you I have Coca-Cola in Robinhood, but I also have Coca-Cola in my ETFs, and Pepsi. I wanted Pepsi. I guess what? I got Pepsi. Like, you have access to all of these different, funds, guys. Once you start investing in ETFs, this is a quarterly dividend. So for every share that you own, if you have $145.80 and you hold it for 30 days or more, the next quarter you will qualify, you feel me, and get 69 cents from this. This will pay you 69 cents every 3 months. So if you own 2 shares every 3 months, you get, I'm gonna round it off. I'm gonna go ahead and round it to 70 cents. So every 3 months, you get $1.40. So keep adding it up. You can add up how much you want to make every quarter. Oh, I want to make $100 a quarter. Multiply this times 100. $145 times 100. That's a lot of bread. Okay. ¿Dónde? Oh, okay, escríbeme. All right. All right. Oh, open the door. It's open for her. But yeah, guys. Investing into the Vanguard, for my people that want to get consistent gains and consistent money and not, it's a large blend. They put your money in all these different companies. Even the fund rating on Morningstar, good overall, 3 years. This is the fund that you want to hold forever. You feel me? This is the one that I'm going to invest in and forget about it. I'm probably going to add this to my my Roth IRA. I got it here in the stock portfolio for you guys because I want my people, investing into ETFs and give them different exposure and diversification when it comes to investing into the stock market. That's why I built this public portfolio, because I was talking with the Black Knowledge team and I was saying, you know what? I want to teach my people about investing, but I want to talk about stocks and I want to talk about crypto. I didn't want to use my Robinhood account just yet. I'm putting more bread in my Robinhood account, and that one has a whole different mission. I tell people my investment accounts got different missions. Let me show you. For example, let me go to my Roth IRA. Let me see here, complete view. I don't mind showing, I tell people, sharing is caring. Let me go to my portfolio snapshot. This is my Roth IRA. I'll break down what a Roth IRA is. I have $250 in there. I've gained $120. $1.24 off of my investments. Let me pull it up. Okay. Let me view the full portfolio so you guys can see. This is in my Roth IRA. This is the money I put up and I just forget about it. Like, you ain't gonna never spend it until you're 60 years old. You don't have to pay taxes. This is the account that's gonna probably have millions of dollars in it, being 100. I'm investing into different ones. Again, you remember I got bonds? Remember I told you guys I have 1 share, $71. Bonds. You feel me? It's gained 13 cents today. I've lost 10 cents. You feel me? But, I have different, I have SPHD, like I told you. I have STOR, Store Capital Corporation Com. This is an ETF. This is a REIT. This is NIO. I think that's an electrical company out of China. I know that Tesla and electric cars are that's going to be the next way of the world. So I'm definitely going to be investing a lot into that. This is my ETF, guys. I mean, my Roth IRA, as you guys can see, my Roth IRA right here. So what I'm doing is, this is just money I'm putting into my Roth IRA. I'll give you guys random updates about this in the future. This isn't major to me because I can't spend this money until I'm 59 and a half. So I'm gonna get it up there and I'm gonna stack it. But I look at it as like, just forget about this money. It's like money that you spent on some shoes or food, in my opinion. That's the way I feel. But back to my portfolio, guys. I think, as you guys can see, I'm very well diverse. I have dividend income ETFs. I got financial ETFs. I also have, different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin Cash. Why do I have Bitcoin Cash? I mean, it's a peer-to-peer electronic system. I can afford this. I can pay, I have I'm down 42 cents, 42%, $11, just round it, $10.50. So basically I put $25 into it. And it's like, I believe that some of these cryptocurrencies will, take off. A lot of them won't. Some of them pump dumps, but nobody really knows. Like, even with Stellar, I think Stellar, I like their project. I like Polygon project. These are different, like Sushi Swap. I bought Sushi Swap because I know Sushi Swap is a exchange, just like Coinbase, for Chinese and Japan and stuff. So I know that those people, that culture have access to those markets in their world, as in China and Japan. They don't use Coinbase. They use Sushi Swap and Uniswap and Pancake Swap. You feel me? That's what those, that's what that culture uses. So with that being said, I purchased it for that. It's down 50, 60%. It's okay. I don't have a lot of money into it. You feel me? I lost $4 and I have $3. So I don't trip because those are the ones I put $10 in. $10 here, $5 here. I tell people, if you're gonna put money into the projects you believe in, and put like money, like if you got money in a project, you're like, you know what, I like Stellar, but I don't know about it like that. I don't really trust it like that much. Okay, buy $5 worth of it, buy $10, buy $20, whatever you comfortable with. All right, you want $100? I'm gonna buy 100. I'm gonna let it sit. Cool. There's no such thing as a bad, investment plan, but have one. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make. Make sure you have an investment plan. Make sure you are investing and putting money back, because that's the goal. That's the goal. And you guys can see I'm in healthcare. I have the Vanguard healthcare ETF. A lot of you guys need to get into the healthcare game. I got Vanguard real estate. I wouldn't buy, me personally, I wouldn't buy actual real estate right now. The market is insane. So what I do is I bought real estate ETF. Well, I'm investing into real estate, but I don't actually own the property. I don't actually have to deal with rent, tenants, anything of that nature, all of that. So there's a lot of different ETFs that I'm investing in, guys, and a lot of different stocks. I will be breaking down probably all of these stocks on my website, blackknowledge.com, so you guys can read my articles about it. Like, why did I buy? What is Shiba coin? What is SPHD? What is Bitcoin? What is Vanguard this and Vanguard that? Like, why are you investing into it? I'm gonna break that down on my website, because I'm tired of my people telling me that they don't know shit, they don't understand crypto. I don't get it. I don't got no knowledge. Well, take your ass to blackknowledge.com and learn some shit. You feel me? Knowledge is not power. Only the application of acquiring knowledge is power. You feel me? And I want to just show you guys something. Look at this. Watch this. I'm gonna Google Black Knowledge. I come up number 1. You manage this business profile. I own Black Knowledge LLC. I'm the owner of this. I pays the cost to be the boss. My bad about the lighting, guys. For my people that's watching me on YouTube, I think the lighting's a little bad, but it's cool. Let me see here. Yeah, okay. My dog out there. I don't want my dog to be by herself. But look at I already got articles. 5 ways to make money while you sleep. Passive income strategies. What is a dividend? Learn all about how they work and who gets paid. The knowledge is out here. You feel me? 7 ways to grow your YouTube channel. How to create a debt elimination plan that works. 6 ways to organize your thoughts. All the articles on the website. What is passive income flow? 7 steps to making a personal budget that works. 5, like, I'm writing articles, guys. What is Ethereum? 5 online businesses you can start tomorrow. Look at these. March, personal stress management strategies for entrepreneurs. You have to just go to blackknowledge.com. Self-education leads to self-liberation. I can't force you, to take this knowledge or grow. That's on you, family. But if you check out blackknowledge.com, you feel me, my website, you can support me. You can hit the shop. We got a lot of stuff coming out. You can go to Black Knowledge YouTube channel. You see somebody watch me now. I appreciate the love and support. I got different content on my YouTube channel, to stay up to date on my portfolio. As you guys can see right now, I'm going to end it on YouTube, but I appreciate everybody tuned in. Make sure you hit that like button, that share, subscribe. I appreciate the love. Just want to break down my portfolio a little bit for you guys so you guys can watch it. Come back to my YouTube channel, see what I'm invested in, take a screenshot, check it out, take a screenshot, look at these ticker symbols, HPHD, ETHC, Shiba coin, go to CoinMarketCap, go to E-Trade, Google this. What is Stellar? What is Sushi coin? What is Jets? But you don't have to Google nothing, because if you go to my website, I'm going to be writing articles about it. So, and I'm going to be probably making probably individual YouTube videos about this too. So I can really get, each fund its own time and energy. So I might end up doing that. So I appreciate everybody tuned in. Obviously you can see 68% crypto, 32%. I really would love to have an opposite of this. I would like to have like about a 65%, 70% ETF and 30-40% crypto. That's the goal I'm doing with this portfolio for you guys, to show you guys you can invest in stock and crypto. You don't have to put all your money in one basket. That's what I'm saying. I'm losing money. As you guys can see, I'm down $314. You like, damn, bro, you would have been at a rack. Yep, everybody down though. I know people that's down hundreds and thousands of dollars. You feel me? Even my other YouTube people that I follow and watch myself. So I appreciate everybody tuned in on YouTube. Make sure you check out blackknowledge.com. Again, if you made it this far to the end of the video, I can invite you guys. You can earn a free stock if you use the link. Basically, click this link. It's going to be in my caption section. You can use your debit card, put $5, $10 into whatever. They give you a free stock and they give me a free stock. It's free money. You ain't got to do it. You can download the app your damn self and not get a free stock and just get it yourself. But hey, this is a way to get in the game. If you want to get a free stock, you can click the link in the caption section and, join the game. I appreciate everybody tuned in on my YouTube. Make sure you follow me at Official Black Knowledge. Check out blackknowledge.com. It's all love. Please make sure you drink some damn water today. And I got love for you. And I wish you the best out here. So I appreciate everybody tuned in. Peace.